James, CTO at sparesbox.com.au, and this is my Celica Supra, 1983. A bit about it: 2JZ swapped, triple Webers, DCOE 45s, G-Track gearbox from a 95 RZ Supra. So I've had this car for about 5 to 6 years now. When we bought it, was not running like a very particularly good 2JZ converted Celica Supra. It's been through quite a few iterations. Then one of the guys at work, he's a mechanic, started discussing the idea of a NA 2J. Best decision that we could have made for this car. Drives amazing, sounds amazing. From what we've seen on the track, it's almost like it was born to have Webers. It's sick. So in terms of the actual build, to get it all working, so we've got a 2JZ NA out of a Supra. It's been converted to mid-sub to clear the subframe. Obviously got the Webers, an MSD 6AL2 to control the ignition. A whole bunch of aeromotive parts to make the fuel system work. At this point it's pretty much custom from front to back. Diff, drive shaft, brakes, suspension everywhere. It's been converted to run R32 GDR calipers, the non-Brembo version, and as a result we're just out here at London Raceway. So we had it out for the first session just with the pads that were in the car. Honestly can't remember what they were, but they weren't running too well. Brought the car back in, fitted the new Bendix SRTs into the car. We've done a couple of sessions now, running really well. We haven't experienced much in the way of brake fade. Pedal feels good, car pulls up well. I think we're coming down the straight here at about 130, 140 maybe. Pulls up well. So future plans for the car. You know, we've been out here really running it in for the first time. Had a couple of issues with power steering. The key goal is some real nice headers on the car, proper fabbed up exhaust, get it tuned on a dyno.